single leg hook-lying bridge. So the setup on this is you're gonna go ahead, rather than having 2 feet on the ground, you're gonna drive the knee up, hold that there in that position. Other foot stays on the ground. We're gonna go ahead, light pressure the foot into the ground. Think about trying to pull the heel towards the back pocket. Go ahead, bridge up, keeping the pressure on the inside of the foot. Then you should feel hamstrings, glutes when you get up to the top. The biggest difference between this and the 2-legged version is your hips. So you're not as stable because you don't have the other foot on the ground. What's gonna happen typically is people will turn the opposite hip pocket away from the ceiling. So meaning my hips are gonna rotate away from my left side, which is the loaded side. What that does is that affects the muscle recruitment and it affects how much rotation I actually get into this left hip. It might be a helpful cue for you as you keep that pressure on the inside of your foot. Think about rotating the opposite hip pocket towards the ceiling. So I'm gonna think about rotating my right hip pocket towards the ceiling. I don't know if you can catch that with the camera. I'm keeping the pressure on the inside of the foot. And then I just think about pulling the heel towards the back pocket, driving the hips up to the ceiling as I push through the inside of the foot.